Philly cheesesteak sandwiches are great for all times of the year. They can be a great comfort food in the winter or a great street food for the summertime. But if you're not a meat eater, you could be missing out. So today we're making a vegan option Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
All right, now let's go over the ingredients. I got a full green pepper, a red pepper, and we'll do half of white onion. We got some Beyond Steak, but you could use whatever. You want to use mushrooms or different meat or whatever. And we got chow cheese and some buns. These are just buns the wife bought. They're not vegan, but if you want vegan, you get yourself some vegan. And then get some Earth Balance butter and some garlic powder. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chop up all the veggies, peppers, onions. And I like my stuff chopped up pretty fine. If you like them big and chunky, you do big and chunky. I'm gonna do them all chopped up. And we're gonna start the oven, get a little bit of olive oil, and dump a little bit of olive oil in that pan, and all those beautiful veggies, red, green, white, all sizzling together. And you want to cook those on medium heat until they get all nice and caramelized like that right there. Oh, that looks good. And set them aside. And now we're getting to boom, these Beyond steak bits, I guess. Oh, they're pretty good, man. They cook up pretty well. I cook these on medium heat. If you want to add a little bit of oil, go ahead. I don't think I did for this. Look at that, man. Oh, those look good. So while that's all cooking, you want to prep. It's all about the rolls, man. I mean, these are okay. I could use better rolls next time. But look, I'm putting some butter on there. I'm putting some garlic powder on those. You want to have nice buttery buns. And then you put the veggies, when the steak's done, you put the veggies back in the steak. Mix it all up. If you want to add some seasoning or salt and pepper or whatever, you do you. I just went plain this time. I didn't go fancy. I just cooked them up, watch them sizzle. Okay, when that's all done, you get your chow cheese or whatever cheese you want to use, or plant-based cheese. Put that right on top. Let that start to get melty. And the thing with the plant-based, it doesn't melt good, so bam, I put that lid on there, gets everything steamy. And while that's steamy, I'm taking my bun with the butter and the garlic powder, bam, put it in the air fryer. I don't know, maybe like 2 minutes? Yeah, 2 minutes at 300 or 375 or whatever. There you go, nice and toasty. It's got nice butter. You want it to be crisp on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside. And then you take that bun and just bam, put it right on top. Flip it over. I lost some cheese there, but I got that, don't worry. And that's it.
It's messy, it's cheesy, it's good, comforting and exciting. Is it as good as a meat-based Philly cheesesteak? But if you're a vegetarian or you're looking for a meatless dish, this is good.